I'll be doing exercise 5 for chapter 4 homework. And this question is asking us to create these two different spirals. For the first one, I try to draw on paper and realized that after you make two lines, as you go around the spiral, the next line becomes longer. And so like the pattern is that for every two lines you increase the length. So it's important to keep that in mind. First off, we need to set up the turtle modules. Next, I'll be making a function where it would create only two lines with an angle in between, so that I can put that in a further function that will loop it to make it go around in a circle. T is the turtle, while SC it will be the length of the line. So I can write this. Next, in the function, I'll be writing the three commands that will make the two lines with an angle in between. So first, test will move forward an SC amount of length. Then it will turn right by 90 degrees, since this is a perfect square spiral. And then forward by SC again. Now that we have our right angle function, I'll be looping it so it will continue making this circumference around it. Let's make it 5, so it won't be too big. And for the range, I can do like 30 loops. Or 30 right angles for this. Plus 5. Let's make it 10. Now that we have everything set up, it's time for a test run. Yeah, I may have made it too big, but it's fine. And it's very similar to the one here. Next, for this spiral, the only difference is the turn angle from what I say. And the first time I did this homework, I found that 93 degrees and 94 degrees was too out of range. I like 92 the most. So all we have to do is change this so that it will look differently from this. And we want to change it slightly because it's still in a square-like form. If we did something like 120, this whole thing becomes a triangle instead of a square-ish spiral. Let's make this 5 to make it smaller. It's kind of like that. Maybe I should know. Oh, it's rotating. The little wave thingies are in the opposite direction, so all I have to do is change this from right to left. I might increase the size. Actually, no, I'll keep the size the same, but change the angle a little bit, just to see if there's any noticeable difference. Yeah, I can sort of see it now, since this is the wave right here. Let's do 40 loops, just to make it look nicer. Yeah, that's good enough. Looks better than the previous ones. So yeah, the wave, the curve right here matches this curve, and all because I changed the direction of the turn and the angle. And that's all for exercise 5.